Hi, hello everyone. Once again, welcome back to my session. So this is TANCET MBA 2021, and as you know already, we have already started the batch for TANCET MBA 2021 exclusively first on Jan. The time is exactly at 9 p.m. So go to the next slide. The session timings. All the students here are asking me what are all the exact timings for the various topics under TANCET 2021. So I just want to put it very in front of everybody. So exactly on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I'll be handling the session of quant and data sufficiency exactly at 10 p.m. And on Tuesday and Thursday, I'll be handling it on exactly 9 p.m. But when it comes to the verbal classes, you will be having 3 classes a week. That is exactly on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, which will be taken by our Siddhi ma'am, and the timing is exactly at 9 p.m. So, next slide. This is a quick introduction about myself. So, my name is Kabilan, and I'm a mechanical engineer with 3 years of teaching experience, and I've also converted various Indian Institute of Management. And also, if you really want to join in our Telegram channel, you can join in our TANCET MBA Telegram channel where you'll be getting all the materials and stuff related for the TANCET MBA 2021. And the course content, if you see, I'll be taking quantitative aptitude and data sufficiency, and also the verbal part, if you see, it will be taken by our Siddhi ma'am. Over to the next slide.
So, hi, hello everyone. I'm Siddhi Bangard. I did my MBA in HR from XLRI. This is the Telegram group link, and this is the Unacademy profile link. So you can follow us here to stay updated about the TANCET course for 2021. And I will be taking your VARC and the Business GK section, which accounts for approximately 60% of your marks. So we'll be doing grammar, RC, vocab, and the Business GK case studies relevant to TANCET 2021. We'll also have doubt and strategy and dedicated revision sessions so that by March, when you're supposed to give the examinations, you're completely prepared. So that's about it. Hope to see all of you. My session timings are alternate days of the week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, sharp at 9 p.m. 1 hour classes each, and I think that should be it. So with that, thank you and hope to see all of you there. So let's crack it.
Let's crack it. Thank you.
Thank you.